If you or a loved one has been involved in a truck accident, you're likely facing serious injuries, mounting medical bills, and the daunting task of dealing with powerful trucking companies and their insurance teams. I'm here to provide you with straightforward information about finding and hiring the best truck accident lawyers to represent your interests. Why truck accident cases require specialized attorneys. Truck accident claims are fundamentally different from regular car accident cases. Commercial truck accidents involve complex federal regulations, multiple liable parties, and typically result in more catastrophic injuries. Here's why you need specialized representation. Complex liability. Truck accidents often involve multiple responsible parties: the driver, trucking company, vehicle manufacturer, maintenance provider, and cargo loaders can all share liability. Federal regulations. The trucking industry is governed by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, regulations that cover everything from hours of service to maintenance requirements. The best truck accident lawyers know these regulations inside and out. Severe damages. Commercial trucks can weigh up to 80,000 pounds, resulting in catastrophic injuries and damages that require proper valuation by experienced attorneys. Corporate opposition. You'll be facing well-funded trucking companies with teams of defense lawyers whose job is to minimize your compensation. Critical evidence. Specialized lawyers know what evidence to secure immediately, including electronic logging devices, driver qualification files, and maintenance records, all of which can disappear without prompt legal intervention. Key qualities of top truck accident lawyers. When searching for the best representation after a truck accident, look for these essential qualities. Specialized experience. The attorney you choose should have specific experience handling truck accident cases, not just general personal injury claims. Ask potential lawyers about their case history with commercial truck accidents, their familiarity with FMCSA regulations, their understanding of the trucking industry's practices. An attorney who has handled dozens of truck accident cases will have insights that a general practitioner simply cannot match. They'll know the tactics used by trucking companies and their insurers and how to counter them effectively. Track record of success. The best truck accident lawyers can point to a history of successful settlements and verdicts. Don't hesitate to ask about the value of past settlements and judgments, their success rate in truck accident cases, specific examples of cases similar to yours. A proven track record indicates not only competence, but also that the lawyer is respected by insurance companies and opposing counsel. This reputation can be invaluable during negotiations. Resources to match the opposition. Trucking companies have substantial resources at their disposal. Your attorney needs to be able to match this power with expert witnesses, accident reconstructionists, medical professionals, economists, investigative teams to gather evidence, financial capacity to fund your case through trial if necessary, technology for case management and presentation. Without adequate resources, even the most skilled attorney may be handicapped when going against corporate legal teams. Clear communication skills. Your attorney should be able to explain complex legal concepts in understandable terms, keep you regularly updated on your case status, be responsive to your questions and concerns, set realistic expectations about outcomes and timelines. The legal process following a truck accident can be lengthy and complicated. Having an attorney who communicates effectively will reduce your stress and help you make informed decisions. The process of hiring a truck accident lawyer. Initial consultation. Most reputable truck accident attorneys offer free initial consultations. During this meeting, bring all documentation related to your accident. Be prepared to discuss your injuries and their impact on your life. Ask questions about the lawyer's experience and approach. Discuss their fee structure. Most work on contingency. This consultation serves two purposes. It allows the attorney to evaluate your case, and it helps you determine if this lawyer is the right fit for you. Questions to ask potential attorneys. To identify the best truck accident lawyer for your needs, ask these key questions. How many truck accident cases have you personally handled? What percentage of your practice is dedicated to truck accident cases? Will you be personally handling my case, or will it be passed to associates? What is your approach to investigating truck accidents? How do you calculate the value of a truck accident claim? What challenges do you anticipate in my specific case? How often do your cases go to trial versus settling? Can you provide references from past truck accident clients? The answers to these questions will reveal the attorney's expertise and whether their approach aligns with your needs. Understanding fee arrangements. The best truck accident lawyers typically work on a contingency fee basis, meaning you pay nothing up front. The attorney receives a percentage of your settlement or verdict. If you don't win, you don't pay legal fees. This arrangement aligns the lawyer's interests with yours. They only get paid if you do. Standard contingency fees range from 33% to 40% of your recovery, with variations depending on whether your case settles or goes to trial. What a top truck accident lawyer will do for you. Immediate investigation. Time is critical in truck accident cases. The best attorneys will immediately send preservation letters to prevent evidence destruction. Obtain driver logs and records before they're lost. Secure truck black box data. Interview witnesses while memories are fresh. Document accident scenes before evidence disappears. Obtain police reports and surveillance footage. This rapid response can make or break your case, as crucial evidence can be legally destroyed after certain time periods if not properly preserved. Thorough case building. Your attorney will develop a comprehensive case by working with accident reconstruction experts, consulting with medical professionals about your injuries, analyzing compliance with federal regulations, identifying all potentially liable parties, calculating current and future damages accurately, building a compelling narrative of what happened. This thorough preparation is essential whether your case settles or goes to trial. Strategic negotiation. Most truck accident cases settle before trial. Your lawyer will present a compelling demand package to insurance companies. Counter lowball offers with evidence and legal arguments. Shield you from direct contact with insurance adjusters. Advise you on when to settle and when to hold firm. Negotiate reductions in medical liens to maximize your recovery. Skilled negotiation can dramatically increase your compensation without the risks and delays of trial. Trial representation. If a fair settlement isn't offered, the best truck accident lawyers are prepared to go to trial. They'll present evidence persuasively to jurors. Cross-examine defense witnesses effectively. Handle complex procedural requirements. Make compelling legal arguments to judges. Connect with jurors on an emotional level about your suffering. The willingness and ability to take a case to trial often results in better settlement offers, as insurance companies want to avoid the unpredictability of jury verdicts. Common mistakes when hiring truck accident lawyers. Choosing based on advertisements alone. The lawyers with the biggest billboards or most TV ads aren't necessarily the best for your case. Advertising budget doesn't equal skill or dedication. Instead, research attorneys' actual case results. Read client testimonials and reviews. Ask for referrals from trusted sources. Evaluate their professional reputation among peers. Marketing creates awareness, but substantive research helps you find true quality representation. Hiring a general practitioner. Many lawyers will accept truck accident cases despite having limited experience with them. This can lead to missed opportunities to pursue certain types of damages. Improper valuation of your claim. Inadequate understanding of applicable regulations. Inability to effectively counter industry-specific defenses. Always verify that the attorney has specific experience with commercial truck accidents, not just general personal injury cases. Focusing only on fees. While fees are important, selecting the cheapest option can be costly in the long run. A more experienced truck accident attorney may secure a significantly higher settlement amount. Identify damages you weren't aware you could claim. Have the resources to properly develop your case. Command more respect from insurance companies. The difference between a good and great attorney can far exceed the difference in their fee percentages. Maximizing your compensation through proper representation. Types of damages your lawyer should pursue. The best truck accident lawyers will ensure you seek all available damages. Economic damages. Current and future medical expenses. Lost wages and diminished earning capacity. property damage and replacement costs, rehabilitation and therapy expenses, home modification costs for accessibility, in-home care expenses, non-economic damages, pain and suffering, emotional distress, loss of enjoyment of life, disfigurement and scarring, loss of consortium, impact on relationships, punitive damages, in cases involving gross negligence or willful misconduct. A comprehensive approach to damages ensures you're not left with uncovered expenses after your case concludes. The importance of proper case valuation. Inexperienced attorneys often undervalue truck accident claims. Top lawyers will work with economic experts to project lifetime costs of injuries. Understand how to quantify pain and suffering appropriately. Account for inflation and future medical advancements in calculations. Consider the full psychological impact of catastrophic injuries. Evaluate how injuries affect your specific quality of life. This detailed approach to valuation prevents you from accepting settlements that won't cover your long-term needs. Timing considerations when hiring a lawyer. The statute of limitations. Each state has strict deadlines for filing truck accident lawsuits. Most range from 1 to 3 years from the accident date. Missing this deadline typically bars you from recovery forever. Certain exceptions may apply in limited circumstances. Consulting with an attorney promptly ensures your rights are preserved within these legal time constraints. Early representation benefits. Beyond meeting legal deadlines, early legal representation provides significant advantages. Evidence preservation before it disappears. Witness statements while memories are fresh. Protection from insurance adjuster tactics. Proper documentation of injuries from the outset. Strategic medical treatment guidance. Prevention of damaging statements to insurers. The sooner you engage quality legal representation, the stronger your position will be throughout the claim process. Truck accidents can devastate lives in an instant. The financial, physical, and emotional consequences can last a lifetime. Having the best legal representation isn't just about getting a check. It's about securing the resources you need for recovery and holding negligent parties accountable. The right truck accident lawyer will shoulder the legal burden while you focus on healing. They'll stand between you and powerful corporate interests, fighting to ensure that your future needs are met and your rights are protected. If you're facing the aftermath of a truck accident, don't delay in seeking specialized legal help. The quality of your attorney may be the most important factor in determining the outcome of your case and your financial security moving forward. Remember, the trucking company and their insurers will have legal teams working immediately to minimize their liability. You deserve equally skilled representation working just as hard to protect your interests. Take action now by researching and consulting with experienced truck accident attorneys in your area. Your future financial security and recovery may depend on it.